My dear management students, all of you are safe and stay at home. I am also safe and stay at home. I wish you best future ahead. I wish you excellent success as well as excellent health in forthcoming future. God bless you. All of you are a management students, and in forthcoming future you will be installed as a best manager, best leader, best officers in the world. You can be a managing director, you can be a chief executive officer, chief operating officer, etc. But question arises under this discussion, how can it be possible? It can be possible. One success mantra I have, that means communication skill. If you will be a good communicator, then you will be installed as best manager, best officers, best leader. It can be easily possible. But question arises under this discussion, what is communication skill? What is the concept of communication? Communication word where originate from? Communication word originate from communism. Communism, which means common. When I communicate to others, that means I establish the common ground of understanding. Suppose you can take example on me also. I am teacher. During teaching, I also used to communicate to all of you. During teaching, I establish the common ground of teaching. I have no partial character. I have impartial character. Nobody else is my personal. Similarly, this type of situation, this type of matter, this type of rule and regulation is also applied for manager, government, leader also. All persons should be equal to the eye of government. All public should be equal to the eye of government. All staff should be equal to the eye of officer. Communism word leads to word communist. Communist word is well known, very well known. Communist party word is also very well known. The slogan of Communist Party that all should be equal to the eye of government. No poor, no rich, all persons should be equal. No high, no low, all should be equal. That means all persons should be equal to the eye of government. And when you will be installed as a manager, officer, then you can be based through this success mantra. Now, I want to define communication. Communication is the process of sending information from one person to another person. Communication is a process of telling, showing, gesturing, etc. Very little bit matter that you are living in the family. You also used to come college. Very less person come in your contact recently, but in forthcoming future, a large persons will come in your way, and you have to talk with them. You have to lead them. For leading them, for organizing them, better communication skill is required. for this facing situation, how can you start journey? Journey starts from you. You have to recognize yourself. Who am I? See within yourself. Intra-communicate yourself. Listen yourself. In your mind, in your as a man, under you, two things are available, two matters are available, like head and heart, and you have to make a balance between head and heart. That means दिमाग और दिल दोनों के बीच में बराबर का बात होगा, तब संवाद हो सकता है। यानी अपने आप को पहले संप्रेषित करना है, तब जो है सो आप दूसरे को इंटर कम्युनिकेट कर पाएंगे, दूसरे व्यक्तियों को कम्युनिकेट कर पाएंगे, संप्रेषित कर पाएंगे। तब जो है आप बहुत सारे लोगों को संप्रेषित कर पाएंगे, ऑर्गेनाइज कर पाएंगे। तब जो है सो आप एक गुड लीडर, गुड मैनेजर, गुड ऑफिसर के रूप में इंस्टॉल्ड हो सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, गॉड ब्लेस यू। आई प्रोस्पेक्ट दैट यू विल बी installed as a good manager, best manager, best leader, world leader, and at last persons will bow down their head to your feet. Thank you very much. Best of luck.